Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll take a look at how to install and remove the Alta series laser modules, as well as the power adapter used with the laser module. First, let's check out the laser modules used in the Alta series. Before replacing the laser module, remember to turn off the power. This makes it safer. Next, let's see how to install and remove the laser modules on the Alta Mini and Alta Flex. The steps are the same for the 1W, 3W, 5W, and 10W laser modules. First, we'll use the 5W blue laser module as an example. Open the protective cover. Take out the 5W blue laser module. Align the raised side with the slot on the engraver. Insert vertically and lower it down slowly. The laser module can move up and down to adjust to the proper height. Tighten the screws clockwise to secure the module. The 5W blue laser module is now installed. Then, start the focusing process. The 3W, 5W, and 10W laser modules are focused the same way. Place the material. Turn the focus knob 90 counterclockwise. Then, turn the screw counterclockwise and let the laser head slowly move down. Stop when it touches the material surface. After that, tighten the screws clockwise to secure the laser module. Finally, rotate the focus knob 90 clockwise. Now, the 5W blue laser module is focused and ready to use. How do I disassemble the laser module? When removing the old module from the Alta Mini and Flex, the process is basically the same for all modules. Loosen the screw by turning it counterclockwise, but don't take it out completely. Hold the laser module and gently lift it up to remove the old module. After that, let's look at the installation and removal process on the L2 and Alta Max. Whether it's the 1W, 3W, 5W, 10W, or 20W laser module, the steps are the same. Now, we'll demonstrate with the 20W blue laser module. Take out the 20W blue laser module. Line up the raised side with the slot. Insert it straight down and carefully lower it. Then, raise the red screw from the left side and tighten it to fix the module. The 20W blue laser module is now installed. Then, start focusing. 20W blue laser has 3 focal lengths. For engraving basswood, soft plastic, and leather, it is recommended to use focus level 7. For cutting, use level 5 for thick materials and level 6 for thin materials. Place the material. Rotate the corresponding focus knob 90 clockwise. Press down and loosen the red screw. Let the laser head move down slowly. Stop when it touches the material surface. Next, lift the red screw upward and tighten it to secure the laser module. Finally, rotate the focus knob 90 counterclockwise. Now, the 20W blue laser module is focused and ready to use. Now, let's start replacing the laser module. Press down and loosen the red screw. Hold the laser module and gently lift it up to remove the old module. Then, install the 1W red laser module. Line up the raised side with the slot. Insert it straight down and carefully lower it. Then, raise the red screw from the left side and tighten it to fix the module. The 1W red laser module is now installed. Then, start focusing. Place the material. Rotate the focusing pin counterclockwise until it is vertical to the material. Press down and loosen the red screw. Let the laser head move down slowly. Stop when it touches the material surface. Next, lift the red screw upward and tighten it to secure the laser module. At this point, the focus knob is positioned perpendicular to the material. Finally, lift the focusing pin upward to the left to secure its back in its original position. Focusing is now complete, and you can start using it. Now, let's take a look at the power adapter that comes with the laser module. The 1W, 3W, and 5W laser modules use a 12 volts 1.5 A power adapter. The 10W and 20W laser modules require a 12 volts to 0.5 A power adapter. If the 20W module is used with a 12 volts 5 A adapter, the power is more stable and the cutting performance is stronger. Use the matching power adapter to ensure stable and safe operation. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. The L2 series offers 5 different laser modules to choose from. We look forward to seeing the amazing creations you make with the L2 series. Join our Facebook group. Welcome.